If you're tired of dim corners, uneven lighting, or bulky fixtures that just don't fit your space, you're definitely not alone. Whether it's your kitchen, bedroom, living room, or even an outdoor area, poor lighting can make everyday spaces feel less comfortable and less inviting. That's where this 220V COB LED strip light comes in. With an impressive 296 LEDs per meter, its COB design creates a smooth, continuous line of light without the dark spots you often see with traditional LED strips. The flexible construction easily bends around corners, making it simple to install along cabinets, TV units, shelves, ceilings, or creative DIY projects. Running on standard AC 220V to 230V power, it delivers 10 to 12 watts per meter with a luminous flux ranging from 2000 to 82,000 lumens, depending on the selected length. You can choose from warm white 3000K for a cozy feel, natural white 4000K for balanced everyday lighting, or cool white 6500K for bright, crisp visibility. And thanks to the dimmable design, you can easily adjust the brightness to match the mood or task. Built with SANAN 5000 LED chips, an IP65 waterproof rating, and a 50,000 hour average lifespan, it's designed for reliable indoor and outdoor use. It also features a high CRI above 85, a wide 180-degree beam angle, and can be cut every 12.5 centimeters for a more customized installation. Available in 1, 2, 5, 10, and 15 meter options, it's easy to find the right fit for your project. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, adding TV backlighting, brightening cabinets, or transforming an outdoor space, this LED strip offers a practical combination of flexibility, brightness, and long-term performance. If you're thinking about upgrading your lighting, check the link in the description before you miss the option that fits your space best.